Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Passionately Designed. My name is Cass, and I am the creative mind behind Passionately Designed. Today's video is a little different. It is featuring the Bartesian cocktail maker that my husband recently brought for me, and I wanted to go ahead and do a product review and make a few drinks for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The Bartesian is a cocktail maker that is similar to the Keurig. It uses pods filled with various cocktail bases and combines the pods with different types of alcohol. The pods and alcohol are purchased separately from the system, and the pods can be purchased directly from Bartesian, and the more popular flavors can be purchased from Amazon. The system is designed to accommodate 5 different types of alcohol. However, the rum and gin share a dispenser that are interchangeable depending on your cocktail of choice. Each pod has a recommended type of alcohol. However, you can choose your preferred libation. For instance, there is a spot for whiskey, but my husband prefers scotch whiskey, so we use the scotch whiskey instead. So once you've chosen your beverage, you simply make sure that the correct libation is in the slot. As I stated before, rum and gin are interchangeable, so the system will ask you if you have the correct libation. After you've inserted the pod, you can choose the amount of alcohol you want dispensed, be it light, regular, or strong, and there is even an option for a mocktail. As a disclaimer, I would not select a strong option if you are a lightweight. Once the beverage dispenses, I would recommend stirring it to combine the alcohol with the mix, since the alcohol tends to sit on top. If you choose, you can have the drink dispensed directly into a cocktail shaker or a mixing glass as I have. Now that your cocktail has been prepared, all that's left for you to do is to sit back and enjoy. Out of all the flavors we have tried, we love a lot of the rum-based drinks such as the Rum Breeze and Hurricanes. We also really like the passion fruit margaritas, Long Islands, and Old Fashioned. I will admit that the pods go pretty fast, so we opted for the monthly subscription that delivers the pods directly to us at a discount. One last note before I go is that cleanup of the machine is fairly easy. After every use, just wipe the machine down and periodically use the clean feature that's located on the machine. Alright guys, that is it for this episode of Cocktails with Cass. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to like it, thumbs it up, subscribe if you already haven't, and share it with anybody you know. Until the next time, cheers. If you want me back, I'll tell you I'm sorry. If you want me back, I'll tell you stop.